Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. The wait is finally over. For a decade, Audi fans have asked for a true rival to the BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS. Today, we finally have it. This is the 20-6 Audi Q9. Standing at over 5 meters long, the Q9 is the largest and most imposing vehicle Audi has ever built. Visually, it marks a departure from the conservative styling of the Q7. It features a massive, illuminated single-frame grille and a striking split headlight design that gives it a futuristic, predatory face. With wheels ranging up to 23 inches and an upright, muscular D-pillar, the Q9 doesn't just enter the room, it commands it, underneath that vast hood. Audi is proving that combustion still has a place in the flagship world. The Q9 debuts on the Premium Platform Combustion architecture, allowing for a range of electrified powertrains. The star of the show is the 60 TFSI plug-in hybrid. It pairs a potent 4.0-liter V8 with a high-capacity electric motor for a combined 571 horsepower. But the real breakthrough is the range. Thanks to the latest battery chemistry, you can glide silently on electricity for up to 40 miles before the V8 even wakes up. For those who prefer pure petrol, the 55 TFSI V6 offers a smooth 335 horsepower, while a rumored SQ9 with over 600 horsepower is already testing at the Nürburgring. Step inside, and you're no longer in a car, you're in a lounge. The dashboard is a digital stage, featuring a panoramic, curved OLED display that stretches from the driver to the passenger. But the Q9's secret weapon is the second row. You can spec it with executive captain's chairs that offer heating, ventilation, and a stone's massage function that rivals the best in the industry. Unlike the Q7, the third row here is built for actual adults, featuring its own climate zone and USB-C ports. With adaptive air suspension standard on all trims, the Q9 is designed to iron out the world around you. Starting at approximately $88,000, the 2026 Audi Q9 is the flagship Audi was always meant to build. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this beast on its first cross-country road trip.